Okay, here's a quick refresher on systems of equations solving by elimination. With the elimination method, one variable is canceled out so you can solve for the remaining variable. So your first step is to write both equations in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. This allows you to easily line up the variables and constants. So in this case, your example problem is 6x plus 3y equals 24 and 4x plus 3y equals 18. As you can see, the x's are lined up, the y's are lined up, and the constants are lined up. This way you can easily compare to see what you can eliminate. Second, if equations have opposite terms, for example 4x and negative 4x, add the equations. Or, if equations have same terms, positive 4x and positive 4x, subtract the equations. So as you can see, they both have a positive 3, so that means subtract. So we're subtracting the entire second equation of 4x plus 3y equals 18 from 6x plus 3y equals 24. 6x minus 4x gives us 2x. The 3y's are eliminated, so we have 24 minus 18, which is 6. So third, now that one of the variables is eliminated, you should solve for the value of the remaining variable. So divide both sides by 2 and you come up with x equals 3. So now you're going to substitute the value you found into either of the original equations. The key is to make sure you are substituting into one of the original equations to find the value of the other variable. So we found that x equals 3, so I chose 6x plus 3y equals 24, so I'm going to substitute x equals 3 into that equation for x. So I end up with 6 times 3 plus 3y equals 24. 18 plus 3y equals 24. Subtract 18 from both sides, leaving us with 3y equals 6. Divide both sides by 3 and you end up with y equals 2. So finally you want to check your solution. We got x equals 3 and y equals 2. So I'm going to substitute those values into both equations to make sure it's true for both of them. So when I substitute 3 in for x and 2 in for y into equation 1, I end up with 6 times 3 plus 3 times 2 equals 24, which is 18 plus 6 equals 24, and 24 does in fact equal 24, so it checks. The second equation, I follow the same process, so I have 4 times 3 plus 3 times 2 equals 18, 12 plus 6 equals 18. That is in fact true. It checks, so we know that we are correct. Good job.